What if I told you the thumbnail that you just clicked on was generated in 1 minute using ChatGPT? Well, I'm not kidding. All it took was one smart prompt, a selfie, and that's pretty much it. Now, this is a brand new workflow that I've been using ever since OpenAI released their new image generation model. And I can tell you that even some of the thumbnails that I used for my YouTube videos have been getting high CTRs. So if you suck at creating thumbnails like me, you'll want to stick around for this whole video, because I'm telling you right now, this is going to save you a lot of time and effort. All right, first things first, you do need a ChatGPT Plus subscription, which costs $20. This will give you access to ChatGPT itself, and also it will give you access to Sora, which is where you can generate the images. So let's have a look at the thumbnail that I generated. So let's click into it here. And when you hover down here, you'll be able to see the prompt and the image that I used. So you can see there, I used a selfie, and you can see there, it's a very long prompt. I'm not gonna bother reading the whole thing. Now, did I type out that prompt? I most certainly did not. But I'm going to show you exactly where I got it from. Now, when I create my videos, I always start a new project in ChatGPT, and this is the prompt that I use. So act as my YouTube video rating guide, assist me with the whole process. And here's the important part. So I want to do a video showcasing how to create AI generated YouTube thumbnails using ChatGPT. And you can see here down at the bottom, the first thing that I do is I ask ChatGPT for potential titles for the video. Now, once you're happy with a title, you can pretty much start working on the thumbnail from here. Now, this is how I do things. If I already have an idea for a thumbnail, I'll just tell ChatGPT, this is my thumbnail idea, give me a prompt. Or if you're not sure what type of thumbnail it should be, what I do sometimes is I ask ChatGPT to give me about 5 or 10 prompts, and these prompts will be used to generate the actual thumbnail within Sora. So you can see here, there's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all different prompts. And all you're doing literally is just copying that. So you just paste the prompt here, and then you upload your image of yourself. Now, this is the image that I use, and I've said this so many times now. Pretty much all you have to do is find a room with like a lot of lighting and just make sure you're behind a white wall. And that's pretty much it. Just take the photo head on for yourself. All right, now I'm going to show you guys a bunch of different thumbnails that I generated for all types of niches. Have a look at how good some of these are. All right, first up, let's start with gaming. So I've got this one here. If I had to choose which one is the better one, I'd probably say maybe the one on the right. But what I would just keep doing is, I like that concept. I'll just keep generating more using the same prompt. Here's another one. I think this one was sort of like an Elden Ring type of one. It's okay, but look how good the character is, and it's changing the style of me to that game, which is kind of cool. This one was supposed to be Street Fighter. It's okay. I'd probably go for a different concept, but you get the idea. This one was good. This one was Last of Us, the game. Like, shout out. I know it's a bit of controversy right now with the show, but I was a big fan of the game, the original one. But look how good this one turned out. Like, literally, that's exactly how the game is supposed to be. You can see the text. This one here is actually GTA, and I cannot wait for GTA 6. It just got announced. But yeah, look at this one. This one actually came out really well. All right, now let's go to tech, because I know tech is huge. Here's the first one. We've got this AI gadget. You got the influencer like looking at the gadget going, oh my God. Like, so yeah, this one works really well. This one is also another good example. You'll always see like tech reviews or comparisons from different laptops. So this is a good example. You got this one here, future iPhone. You got the device there, text there, the reaction, perfect. Next, let's have a look at the finance niche. $10,000 in 30 days. You got my head and you got the background, the money. Like, this one's perfect. Bought a house at 25 and I'm standing there holding the sold sign. The house is in the back. This is a really good one. Very effective. This is another good one. You guys have probably seen these ones. Daily cash. And there's all different like Shopify, Fiverr. Yeah, this one works really well. Next, we had reaction, and these ones were really cool. This one on the left here, no way this is real. And it's got my face. I'm like, and like you can see there, like there's obviously like a punch on. Like the fact that it did that, like I'm shocked at how good this, and like you got the emojis. This is a 10 out of 10, this one here. This is first attempt, by the way, guys. like first attempt. You can keep re-rolling these. This is also good because I know a lot of people react to people's songs. So yeah, this is also pretty cool. This one was kind of funny. Like it's got me, I'm like covering my mouth. This hit different. You know what this one reminds me of? Like, you know, like the YouTube videos where like, they're like, we need to talk, and they're like staring. I don't know, it just reminded me of that one. Then we got health and self-improvement. So this one was really cool. 90-day transformation, and it's okay. Like it's got 90 days. It sort of shows like the gym, and it's all right. This one was really good, especially this one here on the left. Minus 10 kilograms in 30 days. Literally, you know what's funny? I look like the one on the left. I don't look like the one on the right. But yeah, this is actually a very good example. Here's another one, life-changing habits, like very nice. You got the sun, the background. It's something that would be like the people clicking on this video, that's what they want to see. And one last one, 30 days at 5 a.m. I'm assuming this is waking up at 5 a.m. So another great example. Then the last YouTube niche was travel. So we got this one here, Tokyo is wild. So yeah, this is exactly what I would expect for like a thumbnail for travel, especially someone going to Tokyo. You got this guy, Greece vibes. Yeah, not bad. This is Dubai. Yeah, this is, yeah, sure. This works as well. Alone in the wild. So yeah, like, okay, so this must be like a challenge or something. So yeah, this is actually a really good one. And then 5 countries, 10 days. This is really good. I really like these two. I would go for the one on the right. Now there's one last thing I want to show you guys before you go and do this for yourself. The images, the aspect ratio is only 3:2. So it's not 16:9. So I'll just show you what you have to do to overcome this. So let's just download this one. Now we're here in Adobe Photoshop. So let's grab the image and upload it onto here. Now, the reason why I'm going here is I'm going to use the generative fill feature. Let's use the crop tool first of all, and let's expand it to 16:9. So I believe that's 1920 by 1080, I believe. All right, there we go. And I'm holding the Alt key. So yeah, 1920 by 1080. So then let go of the mouse and then just click generative expand, click generate. And there you go. Now it's expanded it. And obviously you can see there, it looks perfect. So you just go there, export that as a JPEG, and you're pretty much done. So that's it for the video, guys. It was just a quick one. Honestly, don't waste your time anymore. Just trust me, get a ChatGPT Plus subscription. You'll get access to Sora. Like, this is taking me like probably sometimes minutes, and there's a skill towards this as well. So I'm learning about like what's a good prompt for a specific thumbnail, and yeah, just go with this. I still have Photoshop obviously for that reason. Hopefully they release more aspect ratios in the future, so then I can just completely get rid of Photoshop. But let me know in the comments below if you found this useful. Okay guys, and I'll leave it there. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.